Andy is filming me.
Glass ready to go.
Glass is ready
a number
to
of
go.
recording devices. We have glass. My colleague Tom. We have our other video
Andy's
camera down there, which is our
we also have
video camera attached to
this
the
guy,
vacuum cleaner. Tom is going
which
to
is our
view of the
monitor, which you can't see particularly well through here, but it is attached to the end of that long carbon fibre pole. There's a camera down there, so we can get a nozzle's eye view. I think we're going to fire up the vac.
I'll fire up the vac. Do you want to? You are wearing the special. 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
And we are off.
Various metal components are protected with foam to avoid any possibility of scratching. The finish, which is original. This is an original paint finish. And this aircraft saw service in Afghanistan.
And it's in good hands now.
Oh, there, look at that deft.
See,
Deft work cleaning the top of that little air intake there. Whatever that, or maybe it's not there.
It might be in a, could be.
Jet exhaust, even though that normally says beware jet exhaust.
It could be for
red, though,
posting messages, maybe. Or
it could be where the carrier pigeons.
the carrier pigeons. Yeah, it could be. There's another, some sort of hole. If you've just tuned in,
there is a little bit.
We're still cleaning the Harrier.
Area that I think there.
With the help of
you need to
Mr. Andy Calver's green laser pointer.
I've missed a small section.
I can see where I need to go, which is useful because I can't really see anything.
No.
Just going around the edge of the
have to be very careful as
small
we go towards the edge because it is quite easy to slip off. One has to be careful when one slips off and let the pole go downwards rather than trying to wrest it back up rapidly, so that can cause a carbon fibre fracture.
You can see, can't really see anything there.
What we could do is we could do the bits we need to do with the small nozzle.
This is nozzle cam, so this is what's going on in the action zone. Quite a lot, as you can see. That's the hole that was mentioned earlier. There it is again. Loves the camera.
What does that say?
That says, go back again. That is fire panel.
Part of the problem is staring into the lights from down below, and it's a blind one. We have the binoculars if you want to. I don't know whether
can I touch the
will work through the binoculars.
Do you think it can handle them? This is the equipment trolley. Loads of stuff. Mr. Cow was still talking over there. I don't know what she's saying. There we are, image stabilising binoculars. Highly surprised if this works. Right, where's your brush?
It's on the end of the big black pole.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Oh,
I see it. Right, hang on.
You're actually looking through the glass
Into the binoculars. Yeah, if you get it. Oh, hang on. Just keep it right there. There it is. If I do the image stabilizer, we are nearly done. We have the cockpit to go, and then possibly a bit of polishing. Andy is just changing the nozzle from this guy. From 90 degrees, we're going straight on-ish.
Broom mode.
Almost broom mode is the correct parlance. There it is. Still there.
Gonna have it a bit of a
Problem is with the narrow balconies, we have to assemble it in sections and then poke half of it over the balcony to get the rest slotted in. But we manage. Let's see how far we can get with this.
One more. I think you probably.
I think we're going to need one more, yeah.
Okay, we ready to go again?
Let's go for the go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's vac.
Back.
So, cockpit, the final, pretty much final section. Possibly a bit of polishing to do on bits we missed. You can probably even see, actually you can see quite well where that dust is coming off. Gives you kind of an idea of how dusty it all is. Now what visitors to the museum, since reopening, won't have realised is that there's actually a seat in that cockpit. In addition to lots of piloting equipment. But here it is. See, there is a problem getting around to the sides of the cockpit because of the angle we're at. So that might be a job for
If you come over here,
dangling a duster.
you can twist it round. You might find it.
We might be able to do it from the side.
Finish doing that first.
Oh, there's some lovely dust there. There we go. To try and change the angle a bit. haven't actually done this bit here, have we? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to pause now and maybe try and get some more later.